We are travelers in disguise team from Gajah Mada University, Indonesia, looking up to the fact that the number of disabled people who are eager to travel has been increasing all over the world has taken our concern to take the passenger experience as the main topic for this competition. By designing the new wheelchair design, we do really hope that it will contribute to the betterment of passenger experience of those disabled travelers. And by using product design and development, it is necessary to have the combination between industrial engineering and accounting students to give a comprehensive analysis towards this problem.
On market needs, we need 4 disabled wheelchair per flight. Why? Because there are 21 million disabled passengers divided by 2 billion ordinary passengers. We got 0.07% times 471 available seats in Airbus A380 version 1.
High opportunity for disabled passenger already identified. Therefore, this project will be focused on passengers with reduced mobility, and the wheelchair is a main mobility equipment of their needs on board. The product development of wheelchair will be focused on the incremental improvement of the existing product by modifying some features from the previous wheelchair, and we will gain some insight from the customer in order to make the design of the wheelchair to minimize their dependency of mobility on board.
Until right now, disabled passengers need a long process to travel with aircraft. They need special assistance and switching the chair for several times. For comparisons, there are 15 steps for disabled passengers and 9 steps for normal person. With our wheelchair design, the disabled passenger process can be simplified into 9 steps, so that disabled passengers can be more independent when traveling with aircraft.
As the academic mentor of the Traveler in Disguise team, Universitas Gajah Mada Indonesia, I found that the team has always been cheerful, challenging, dynamic, rock solid and reliable, and we hope that they will be able to provide their 100% efforts to go through to the final in Germany, so they will be able finally to sing their songs, the team's anthem, the Queen's Don't Stop Us Now.